Now, which is better? Well, the role of the CPA should be to look at everything from a tax perspective. And are you maximizing your 401k contributions? That's one thing. Should I be doing a traditional or a Roth 401k? Because those have different tax implications. Just to educate everyone, people probably heard of Roth, but they don't know oftentimes that a Roth has nothing to do with an IRA. It's just contributing with after-tax dollars through an IRA or a 401k. Traditional means contributing with pre-tax dollars, and then on the back end, you're paying the taxes when you take the money out. Now, which is better? Well, let's say you're an older physician and you're never going to retire because you're in good health. You're always going to want to work at least part-time. You own several properties. You've got lots of real estate income, for example. Well, that means you're always going to be in a high or maybe the highest tax bracket. And if you're 64 years old and you're about to retire and you're not making a ton of money and your income's going to go way down, then you never need to do the Roth. You get a tax deduction at your higher income tax rate. You retire the next year. You start withdrawing at a lower income tax rate. That's a no-brainer. But what if you're making a lot of money and you will continue to have a high income throughout your career? Well, that's the case, especially if tax rates go up, where you're locking in your tax payment at whatever it is now. And anytime tax rates go up, you're always hearing about tax the rich. Well, the Roth can be an extremely valuable tool for a physician. And these are the kinds of conversations that not only an advisor, which is what an advisor should be doing to earn their money, by the way, as well as helping people figure out what investments to choose and using a retirement calculator on the record keeper's website and how much to put in the Roth versus traditional 401k and help do a budget and help figure out which investment should be in the plan and which providers to select. But the CPA should be helping you figure out taxes and namely, how should you pay for these fees?